Welcome back guys to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here and today I'll be talking to you about the importance of visual effects in your content. Basically, visual effects is something which appeals to our eyes. The most important thing to remember while creating your own content, as I've discussed earlier many times about the importance of images and videos. We maybe try to realize that what is this visual effects is all about. Visual effects is something which creates a kind of visual images built in a movie or in a video that you may watch, which gives impression to eyes that this is a wonderful video that you're watching. It makes and gives our eyes the beautiful image which gives us the idea that this visual is very attractive. It's very wonderful to watch and it gives pleasure to our eyes. Today, visual effects is basically nothing but a creation of visual impact and visual of colors, light, gradients and the light effect that it plays on the video that you watch. But before this, I would like to talk about importance of images and videos which are made through this visual effects. When you watch a particular image, the importance of an image is basically much beyond that what a normal thought can more appear. What I mean by this is that when we think about a particular image, we see varied ideas of a particular subject being told to us. When we see a creative image where we realize that this is visually very implanting to our minds with a great idea of thought, it creates a kind of vision in our mind where we can see that this image is wonderfully made. Whatever we see through our sight in a world that we live around, we may see that there are a lot of ideas which are not unspoken of. We may not be able to describe everything, but it may sound very visually very beautiful to our eyes because it gives an impact to our eyes that this particular image what we are seeing or a particular video, you may realize that what a beautiful pleasure it's giving to your eyes. Even when you are not watching a movie or you're not watching a content of someone on social media, you may realize that when you look around you through beautiful scenery or a beautiful nature, you may realize that what colors of light, of sky, the trees, the forest, and the beautiful road that of the agriculture fields when you go through a highway. When you watch colors, that big radiance that how shows and give pleasures to our eyes, that why is it so beautiful? Why it's so wonderful to watch nature in its own place. In such a way, we have seen many images and videos that you see on a regular basis which brings an impact to your eyes in a similar way. That why such gradients and colors are impacting those movie and raising the standard of that movie in such a manner that it makes a blockbuster movie. Similarly, it's same with the images. When you see today the meaning of images and the videos with those animations, with those colors, with those gradients, with those lights, you will realize that why this is such so wonderful to watch when you're looking in it, and it makes and gives a very big impact to your mind that wow, I also want to be in it. I want to be a part of it. I want to virtually be connected with it in such a way that I want to live that kind of way. But when you stop watching the content or you stop watching the movie, you will realize that you have again come back to reality, where basically these roles of images and videos impacts our mind to such a high level that we forget. Sometimes we live out of the world, out of the box. It's out of that world which makes us realize that we are not a part of this world, but we are something much more than that. But how does this happen? This happens because of visual effects in images and videos. When you watch a movie and when you see Avengers or whether you see a science fiction movie, you will realize that how these effects which you see in the movie are creating such a big impact to you in your imagination. This is to induce you to such a point that it brings an idea to you that visual effects has its own meaning. Today, in this video, I'll be talking to you about the importance of this visual effects here to mention that why this visual effects is so important. Basically, we live in a world of a story-tale world. We have minds of big and huge imaginations. We cannot be calculated the meanings of just few numbers. It's beyond that. And that describes that you have a mind full of imagination of wild and vivid thoughts, which gives a particular look in a particular way, that in a point of view in which you see the world. Visual effects makes similar aspect in your images and your content. Basically, the importance of visual effects is that it creates a kind of world for you which is twist which makes your mind and your way of looking at things and making your customers see it or your audience see in such a way that it is completely out of the world that you have ever thought. Basically, to create in this something which you want of your mind, like Disneyland, like Avengers, these all fictional movies create a kind of thoughts in your mind. But if there is a missing impact of visual effects, there will never be something which will ever talk to you about that particular image will stay there for a longer time in your mind. You have heard about superheroes, you have heard about fantasy tales, you must have heard about different stories in a lot of periods of time. Seen animals talking through animation in movies. You have seen Tintin, you have seen Adventures of Pirates of the Caribbean. You must have seen Avengers, you must have seen different movies which bring a kind of different image where the hero is jumping off from one cliff to the other, from one building to the other, from one car to the other. This basically is because of visual effects in movies. You will realize the visual effects basically gives you more connection with a particular thought. Why is visual effects so important? Visual effects is important because it connects, it triggers your mind to connect with the particular imagination that the director has with the kind of thought that he wants to portray in his movies. Similarly, I'm here not talking about those big heavy budget movies that may take a lot of cost, but I am talking here about certain kind of visual effects to put in your videos or your images which will enlighten your image to such a different level of stage that it will bring some colors to your videos and it will make it more dramatic, more cinematic and a more effective way for your audience to see your content more. This video basically mentions that how visual effects, when you'll be utilizing through different softwares, which are literally a lot of them, it depends that you have to understand that if you want to make your videos or content go viral on social media, you need to understand that how you will be utilizing that content and putting it in your videos and images in such a way that your thoughts completely connect with the kind of content that you want to create. That will give a more impactful way to watch more of your content. And this will describe that your visual content which you are putting out there makes it more interesting and visually to watch. But the biggest challenge that most of the people will be facing is that what is basically, how can I come with my own visual effects? Well, you need to understand when you make a product or when you sell a service, you also need to understand the meaning of certain kind of visual effects, certain words which are seen out there in the video when you watch or on television or on YouTube or Instagram. You may be realizing those text words suddenly popping off, those animation, the circular animation, the clockwise rotation, different camera angles. These are all defined that things taken from different angles creates a kind of visual effects in the kind of small visual effects. I'm not talking about bigger visual effects. I'm talking about the smallest visual effects that you can use in your content to make it more appealing and to more emotionally connect your audience. And this is the main reason that why visual effects you should be using. For this, you can see and study certain images online by looking at the blogger or the influencer that you like. You can watch certain movies, take some ideas from it, take and contact a content creator to plan and visualize this thing for you to put your ideas in your content. In the beginning, it will be a little bit difficult, but after a slow point of time, that will help you to put your ideas into place by similarly getting it done even through a collaboration. That will make it easier for you to come out there and sell your product more. Visual effects makes the sellability of a content more appealing. It makes your content more sellable, where you will be able to sell more and your conversions will increase very high. And this determines that you need to keep in your mind that the importance of visual effects is nothing but creating your imagination of your thoughts to particular content that you are looking forward to by just putting it some kind of different way, different thought with something which people have not done. I have seen many people even on social media copying other people's content and coming out with a lot of ways that a lot of content, copying other people's content and utilizing that and posting on their profile. Well, if you want to be different, if you want to create your own niche, if you want to have a different following, you need to think different and out of your box. I know the importance of visual effects in my videos. That's why I suggest you and I urge you to take that process into consideration and at least know what visual effects is all about. Visual effects is a form of art which is being creative in your own content, and that will stand your product out of all those other people who are copying other people's content and maybe putting there. Maybe your content may be so different and interesting that other people may start copying your content and start making videos something similar to you. I would urge you to not get discouraged by this and imagine that what would happen if people's looking at your content and profile. It will increase more followers for you, and it will engage more of your customers to start realizing that it's more of your content, to utilize it and create it into your own. So please make sure that you utilize this point very clearly, that visual effects importance in a content is one of the most important aspects you need to remember to sell your product or your service. If you like this video, please do comment below and press the subscribe button if you have not done so. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you very much.